So I'm going to show you how to work peplum shirts. I'm going to show you how to work your peplum, and now here at this point I will work one chain stitch and make sure this row is worked on top. Okay, so into the very first stitch I will work a single crochet and work a single crochet in the next stitch. So I'll just continue working one single crochet into every stitch until I come to the end of my row. Okay, one single crochet into every stitch. So this is it. Work one row of single crochet. This is to secure the half double crochets before we can start our peplum layer. If you do not do this, your work will I don't know how to describe it, but it won't look neat. The peplum won't look well placed. It will look like it was so continuous and look I really don't know how to explain that. One needs to first make that mistake and learn from it. Yes, you'll first need to work that and see how it looks, and then compare the two and get to know what I am trying to mean. So once you have your row of single crochet complete, I'm going to get back and show you how to start your peplum, and you will see how neat a peplum shirt has to look. So just work your single crochet row and complete it until the end. Work a slip stitch, and let me get back and show you what to do. So now I have my first single crochet row complete, and now I'm going to chain two. I am not going to turn my work, okay? So also this row is going to be worked on top, okay? So for into the very first stitch, I'm going to work one half double crochet, one half double crochet in the next stitch, and then two half double crochets into the next stitch. Okay, one half double crochet into the next, one half double crochet again, and then two half double crochets into the next stitch. So literally you're working two half double crochets into two stitches and two half double crochets in the next stitch. So one, and into the next we work the second half double crochet. Into the third stitch you're going to work two half double crochets in the very same stitch. Work one half double crochet in the next two stitches, and then two half double crochets in the next stitch. Okay, so literally you're working two half double crochets in the next two stitches and then two half double crochets into the third stitch. One half double crochet, two half double crochets in the next stitch. That is one half double crochet, and in the next stitch you work one half double crochet. Into the third stitch you're going to work two half double crochets in the very same stitch. So you're just going to work that pattern until you come to the end of your row. Please keep an eye and make sure you are working what exactly I have told you to work. Okay, these shirts are very easy to make. Most of the people that make them actually mistake the peplum for ruffles. Okay, and this is the very easiest way one can work a peplum without having the peplum look like it is ruffles, because there is a difference between ruffles and a peplum. Okay, so I think this will be helpful for a lot of us. Once at the end, two into the next and two half double crochets into the very last one. So right here you will work a slip stitch. Okay, so that's how it looks like. It doesn't even look like we have inserted any increases, but yes, that's how it has to look like. So here we are going to chain two and turn our work like this. So as you can see, the very first stitch is right here. So we shall work one half double crochet, and you can see this is the next stitch has an increase in it. So into that very increase where we work 2 half double crochets in the very same stitch, we are still going to work 2 half double crochets in the very same stitch. Okay, and now here we are going to go ahead with 1 half double crochet into every stitch for the next 3 stitches, and into the 4th stitch we are going to work 2 half double crochets in the very same stitch. So literally that increase is going to go exactly where we worked an increase. Okay, so if you cannot keep track of your counting, please just do that. Where you see 2 half double crochets into the very same stitch, exactly that is where you're going to work your increase. If you're capable of counting and keeping your stitches, if for the previous row you worked 2 half double crochets before you worked an increase, for this row you're going to work 3 half double crochets in the next 3 stitches, and into the 4th stitch you're going to work 2 half double crochets in the very same stitch. I hope you guys get that very clearly. So let me just elaborate it once again, okay, so that it gives you an accurate count. So here I have finished working 2 half double crochets in the very same stitch. So I'm going to work 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, that's the second, 1 half double crochet into the 3rd stitch, okay, and then 2 half double crochets into the 4th stitch in the very same, 2 half double crochets into that very same stitch. Okay, so 1 half double crochet into the 1st stitch, 1 half double crochet into the next, 1 half double crochet into the 3rd, and into the 4th you work 2 half double crochets. Okay, so you're just going to do that until you come to the end and work a slip stitch, and let me show you how to work your next row, and that should be our very last row of the peplum. So I've come to the end of my second row of the peplum, and now I am going to chain 2. Make sure you are working on the outside. So here you will work 1 half double crochet. Please keep track because it is into the 2 half double crochets we made right here that we have to work an increase. So right there you work 1 half double crochet into the next 2 stitches, and now into this stitch, because that is where our 2 half double crochets are, we are going to work 2 half double crochets into the very same stitch. Okay, and now you're going to work 1 half double crochet. That's 1. Remember previous we were working 3 half double crochets into the next 3 stitches, and then 2 half double crochets into the 4th stitch. So here we have 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, and now into the 5th is where we are going to work our 2 half double crochets in the very same stitch. Okay, so the number keeps increasing. If you cannot keep track of that, please just work 2 half double crochets wherever you find 2 half double crochets of the previous row. Okay, so let me just elaborate this a little more slow again. So we have 1 half double crochet into this stitch. Okay, that's 1. 1 half double crochet into the next, those are 2. 1 half double crochet into the next, those are 3. 1 half double crochet into the next, those are 4, and the 5th we work 2 half double crochets. So you can see with my work it is into the 2 half double crochets that I have been working other 2 half double crochets of every row that I start. Okay, so that is what you are going to do until you come to the end of it, and there you will have completed your peplum. And that's what exactly you are going to do for the other leg. I already worked mine, so that's what you're going to do for the other leg. And when I get back, I'll show you how your short should look like. So once you have your peplum done, remember we have worked only 3 rows of half double crochet for the peplum, and you're just going to make this yarn disappear within. Do the same for the other leg. Very, very simple, but it gives you very beautiful results. So once you have this within, you'll just cut that off, and now see what you have. Okay, see that? I'll just give you a picture of how it looks like on the body and how beautiful it looks. So thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Happy crocheting. Follow my Instagram, Knitted Crochets, and Facebook, Knitted Crochets. Let me see you all in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.